What up, YouTube? Survivalist News over here at thewatchers.news, and we're going to talk about some space weather today. This article says, Solar Filament Eruption Possible Glancing Blow on November the 29th. A solar filament was observed lifting off the sun's northeast quadrant, beginning at approximately 4:45 UTC on November 25, 2017. An associated weak CME was observed from SOHO, LASCO C2 and C3 imagery, and the analysis shows a potential glancing blow arriving at Earth on November the 29th. Yeah, here you can see the filament eruption. I believe it's on this side. Kind of looks flipped from what I'm used to. Well, I don't know. Anyway, let's get to the rest of this article. This is a CME created by solar eruption on November 25, 2017. There you see the timestamp. Here you see the 48-hour loop video. There it is coming. That doesn't look to be too big of an eruption, but that's just above the Earth. Right in here is the center line toward a direct hit for the Earth. So this is a little below, above it on this eruption. But you see these zones right in here, big zones. But that's, turning away from the Earth now, but right above it caused the eruption. Don't really see anything moving our way here in the next few days or anything, other than the eruption that already occurred. They'll arrive on November 29th. Here we see some more models. It says another filament is anchored in the southwest filament and is rotating away from the geo-effective position. There's that 48-hour loop. The solar activity was at very low levels today and is expected to remain like that, with just a slight chance for C-class flares over the next 3 days. There's only one numbered sunspot region on the Earth side of the Sun, AR2689. Although this region showed signs of growth over the last 24 hours, it lacked significant flare activity. The greater than 2 MeV electron flux was at normal to moderate levels over the past 24 hours, with a peak flux of 309 PFU observed at 15:05 Universal Time on November 25th. And solar wind parameters are currently at ambient background conditions and expected to become enhanced on November 27th and 28th as a negative polarity coronal hole high-speed stream CHHSS becomes geo-effective. Unsettled to active geomagnetic field levels are expected on November 27th and 28th due to the onset of negative polarity CHHSS. Here, Southern Polar CH, CH838, 12689, right in here, and I guess this is where eruption comes from. Featured image credit NASA SDO. AIA 211. So I'll leave the links to this article in the description box. I'll be back with more news as I come across it. Have a great night.